How you going, guys? Lee here in the House of Lee down at the M4A1 Mega Store in Moray Field. On today's episode, I have something special for you guys. I've actually got a challenge for you guys to challenge me to see if I can challenge myself to do this video in under 4 minutes. If I fail that, I'll line up down at the end of the shooting range there and I'll let you guys shoot me with one of these shotguns. On today's episode, we're actually going to jump into the S1897 Shotgun review. So let's get straight into that because I'm on the timer and I don't want to get shot. Alright, guys, these blasters have already been unboxed. In the box, you are going to get a little gel holder, safety glasses, very important, guys. Do not forget your safety glasses. Got some gels here as well, some little blue gels there. And we also have one of the most important parts of our boxes is the Stop and Think campaign pamphlet. Definitely give that a read over, guys, as you unbox your brand new gel blaster. All right, moving on, guys, on the timer. What we have here is we have 3 different colors. We have the blue, orange, and the black. These blasters, I'll pick one up. These blasters come in the long version, and we also have a short version. The short version is my favorite one, guys. They do come in long and short in the blue, the orange, and in the black, as you can see here spread out on the counters. All right, quick overview of this blaster. It's a pump action shotgun. Very simple to use, guys. Pump it, shoot it. One step before that, fill the blaster with gels, and that's it, you're away. At the back here, guys, you're gonna fill this blaster up straight through this little port here with your gels. Click your little door shut, pump the blaster, pull the trigger. Awesome. Gonna keep you entertained for hours, but myself, I've got about 2 minutes left, so let's get through this. This blaster here is mainly made up of ABS or plastic. Lower part of the blaster is actually aluminium. It does have an aluminium internal barrel. This blaster is equipped with a spring that shoots the gels at around 260 FPS. So definitely a great buy straight out of the box. Very cheap one and works quite well. Other than that, moving down to the rear of the blaster, plastic handle, plastic trigger, plastic lower trigger guard. The majority of the actual receiver of the blaster is plastic, and again, plastic upper. Other than that, guys, this is a great blaster for any of you who are on a team who rep different colors. You can definitely come in and choose from one of the 3 and actually rep yourselves with a short or a long, depending on what you like best. All right, moving on again. On the timer, guys, categories, we usually jump into them. This blaster, we're going to quickly go straight through it all. All right, looks, out of 10. It's a pump action shotty. Looks like a pump action shotty. 10 out of 10. That's it. Moving on. Firepower. We will actually cross over to the range, guys, and we'll actually quickly give you a quick demo of this blaster shooting through the chrono and shooting straight down the range at the target there, just to actually let you see what this blaster shoots like. You always have to have your eye protection on when you're utilizing one of our ranges to test out any of these blasters. So with that being said, safety glasses are on. Let's check out this shotgun. Let's put it through the chrono and see what she comes up with. All right. All right, guys, here you can see this thing is shooting around that 230 to 240 FPS. Definitely can double pump this thing and get it up a little bit higher, but on average it's anywhere around that 240 consistently. As you can see, it does jump up though. So that's the shotty. Alright guys, one other thing, we're going to head over to the field and I'm actually going to show you this thing at the 10 meter mark and the 20 meter mark. We've got the shotgun here, we're about to test it out. We've got the 10 meter mark and the 20 meter mark. So let's get after it. First up, 10 meters. There we go guys, second shot. At the 10 meter mark, this blaster is awesome. Pushing out over to the 20 meter mark, definitely a lot harder to hit a bottle size object, but you're going to still hit a human. So not the greatest outdoor field, but on an indoor field, this blaster is awesome. Awesome guys, I'm gonna rate that 7 out of 10. Next up, modability. Don't mod this blaster guys, please. You could put bigger springs and whatnot in it, but you are gonna run into issues where you're gonna break the internal parts, so don't even worry about it. Just leave it how it is and enjoy it. All right, so modability, gonna give it a 0. Next up guys, durability. If you use this blaster as intended, if you're not being silly with it, trying to bang fire or crank this thing as fast as you can, it's gonna operate fine. It's actually a lot more sturdier than the old M97. So great blaster, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. All right guys, we can buy these blasters in the store right here in the M4A1 Gel Blaster Mega Store in Morayfield, or we can go online, m4a1gelblaster.com. You can also find us guys on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like the video, double dislike it. All right guys, last but not least, stop and think, stay safe, stay legal, get out on the field, play with your gel blasters as everything's opening up. There's something to look forward to get out and stay mentally healthy, physically healthy, play with your friends. Look forward to seeing you guys in the shop or on the field very soon. Thanks for tuning in. It's been Lee in the House of Lee, the M4A1 Mega Store in Morayfield, and I'll see you guys on the next review. All right, it's like too long. How long? Oh, I started jabbering.